now I walk alone and talk about it when I know, hey, oh yeah, how long? I guess I ought to walk away. Hey, oh yeah, so long. What you gonna do today? I don't wanna have to, but I will, if that's what I'm supposed to do. We don't wanna set up for the kill, but that's what I'm about to do. Later on I'll cut you over when you're screaming into the phone. Hard to own. Anyway, I wanna let you know that everything is on hold. What you gonna do to me? You used to be so warm and affectionate. All the little things I used to hear my parents say, but now you're quick to get into your regret. I'll take a fall and now you got to give it all away. Hey, oh yeah, how long? I guess I ought to walk away. Hey, oh yeah, so long. What you gonna do today? I don't wanna have to, but I will, if that's what I'm supposed to do. We don't wanna set up for the kill, but that's what I'm about to do. I don't wanna have to, but I will, if that's what I'm supposed to do. We don't wanna set up for the kill, but that's what I'm about to do. Hey, what would you say if I stay? Stay for a while if I may. Say it again and I'll come around, but not for the last time. Hey, what would you say if I change? I change everything but my name. Play it again and I'll come around, but not for the last time, not for the last time. You used to be so warm and affectionate. I used to know just what I wanted and just where to go. And now you're quick to get into your regret. And now I walk alone and talk about it when I know, hey, oh yeah, how long? I guess you gotta walk away. Hey, oh yeah, so long. What you gonna do today? Hey, oh yeah, how long? I guess you gotta get away. Hey, oh yeah, so long. What you gonna do today?
And then it came.